Please be seated. Mr. Secretary, please do the roll call.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. We have Honorable Evin J. C. Diaz, Honorable Emmanuel Joselito B. Anyes, Honorable Angelica L. Reyes, Honorable Jose T. Panganiban Jr., Honorable Ramon Juan N. Reyes Jr., Honorable Clifford R. Raspado, Honorable Abigail V. Sable, Honorable Jonathan Jose C. Calderon, Honorable Manuel Faustino U.D., Honorable Marco Paulo A. Meris, Honorable Amador A. Gafu Jr., Honorable Antonio S. Hui, Honorable Maria Katrina Jessica G.D., and Honorable Catherine Joy L. Legaspi, and our Presiding Officer, Vice Governor, Honorable Francis Faustino A.D.,
Present.
with 11 here present, Mr. Chair, and we have 4 board members online. I hereby certify the presence of a quorum.
With the Secretary's certification of a quorum, I now formally call this session into order. Pero bago po tayo magsimula, syempre pasalamatan po natin ang lokal na pamahalaan ng bayan ng Gamu, headed of course by our Mayor Sian Al Defensor Galanza. Palakpakan po natin. Sian lang kasi ang pagkakilala kong haba pala ng pangalan mo, brother. At syempre kasama niya ang ating Vice Mayor Alfreda P. Berkeley Jr. Ito, napakatagal, napakabatikan na. Mula pa nung ako'y barangay captain pa lang, kilala ko na po si Manong Berkeley. And syempre sa lahat ng konseho natin na nandito, sa mga department heads at sa other officials po ng Bayan ng Gamu, kami po kasama ang ating mga board member ay nagpapasalamat po sa inyo na pag-host ng aming sesyon ngayong araw na to. Ang nilulook forward sana po namin after po nito, bago matapos ang ating session, meron po tayong last part na meron po tayong open forum. Ang hinihiling po sana namin na ngayon pa lang, isipin nyo na kung anong mga gusto nyong itanong, isuggest, or kung meron kayong mga pangangailangan mula po sa provincial capital, ay ipagbigay alam nyo na po sa amin nang sa ganun ay masagot na po namin kasama ng ating mga board member. Yun lamang po, at the Honorable Floor Leader is hereby recognized.
Your Honor, for the reading and approval of the minutes of the previous session, I move to dispense with its reading and approve the same subject to any correction submitted to the Secretariat.
There is a motion on the floor. Any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Next item, Honorable Floor Leader.
Your Honor, for question hour and appearances, may I ask the assistance of the Honorable Secretary.
Mr. Secretary is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Your Honor, for this session, we have with us the officials of the Local Government Unit of Gamu, Isabela, along with the officers of the Liga ng mga Barangay, Gamu Chapter, and the Sangguniang Kabataan Federation, Gamu Chapter, the youth leaders, and other invited guests. That's all, Mr. Chair.
To all our distinguished guests, we thank you for your presence and participation here in our session. Let us now proceed to the next item, Mr. Floor Leader.
Your Honor, I move for the approval by omnibus motion the referral of the ordinances, resolutions, and executive orders to the appropriate committees as indicated in the agenda of today's session.
There is an omnibus motion referring the resolutions, ordinances, and executive orders as indicated in the agenda to the appropriate committees. Any objections? Hearing none, motion is approved. Next item, Mr. Floor Leader.
Your Honor, for the proposed ordinances and resolutions, may I ask the assistance of the Secretary.
Mr. Secretary is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. An ordinance awarding incentives to individuals, student athletes, athletic teams and coaches, and trainees and trainers representing the province of Isabela in government and or civic-sponsored athletic and academic competitions and appropriating funds thereof. Sponsored by Honorable Jose T. Panganiban Jr., Chairperson, Committee on Finance and Appropriations.
Let us hear from the sponsor.
Your Honor, I move for the approval on first reading of the proposed ordinance awarding incentives to excellent individuals, student athletes, athletic teams, and coaches and trainers representing the province of Isabela in any government and or civic-sponsored athletic and academic competitions and appropriating funds thereof, and for its joint referral to the Committee on Finance and Appropriation and the Committee on Sports and Youth Development.
There is a motion on the floor. Any second? Any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved. The ordinance is hereby approved on the first reading and is jointly referred to the Committee on Finance and Appropriation and Committee on Sports and Development. Next item, Mr. Secretary.
A resolution authorizing the provincial governor, the Honorable Rodolfo T. Albano III, to sign on behalf of the provincial government of Isabela a memorandum of agreement with BKS Green Energy Corporation, sponsored by Honorable Jonathan Jose C. Calderon, Chairperson, Committee on Power, Energy, and Franchising.
Sponsor is recognized.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, I move for the said resolution for the approval on first reading and that it be calendared for second reading and final reading later in today's session.
There is a motion. Any objections? Hearing none, motion is approved. Next item, Mr. Secretary.
A resolution authorizing the Honorable Governor Rodolfo T. Albano III on behalf of the provincial government of Isabela to enter, sign, and execute a memorandum of agreement with St. Ferdinand College for its nursing and midwifery students undergoing related learning experience or practicum in Governor Faustino N.D. Senior GFND Memorial Hospital and Manuel A. Rojas District Hospital, sponsored by Honorable Evin J. C. Diaz, member of the Committee on Health.
Sponsor is recognized.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, I move for the said resolution's approval on first reading and that it be calendared for second and final reading later in today's session.
There is a motion. Any objections? Hearing none, motion is approved. Next item, Mr. Secretary.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. A resolution authorizing the Governor, Honorable Rodolfo T. Albano III, to sign on behalf of the provincial government of Isabela a memorandum of agreement with Cagayan State University, Carig Campus, and student interns enrolled in the Bachelor of Science in Biology program for the implementation of their on-the-job training program, sponsored by Honorable Ramon Juan N. Reyes Jr., member, the Committee on Education.
Sponsor is recognized.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, I move for the said resolution's approval for first reading and that it would be calendar for second and final reading in later today's session.
There is a motion. Any objections? Hearing none, motion is approved. Next item, Mr. Secretary.
A resolution authorizing the Honorable Governor Rodolfo T. Albano III to receive on behalf of the provincial government of Isabela 5 parcels of commercial and agricultural land from the Land Bank of the Philippines for the expansion of the Isabela Rice Assistance Program, iRice AP, pursuant to the agreement between both institutions, sponsored by Honorable Manuel Faustino, UD, Chairperson, Committee on Local Government.
Sponsor is recognized.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, I move for the said resolution's approval on first reading and that it be calendared for second and final reading later in today's session.
There is a motion. Any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Next item, Mr. Secretary.
A resolution authorizing the utilization of the host provincial share from the Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation, PAGCOR, Trust Fund in the amount of 1,062,000 pesos for the scholarship grants of 354 students enrolled in technical, vocational, and other high-impact short courses in the province of Isabela, sponsored by Honorable Jose T. Panganiban Jr., Chairperson, Committee on Finance and Appropriation.
Sponsor is recognized.
Mr. Presiding Officer, I move for the approval of the said resolution on first reading and that it be calendared for second and final reading later in today's session. So moved, Mr. Speaker.
There is a motion. Any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Next item, Mr. Secretary.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. A resolution authorizing the utilization of the host provincial share from the Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation Trust Fund in the amount of 1,077,000 pesos for the scholarship grants of 359 students enrolled in technical, vocational, and other high-impact short courses in the province of Isabela, sponsored by Honorable Jose T. Panganiban Jr., the Chairperson, Committee on Finance and Appropriations.
Sponsor is recognized.
Your Honor, I move for the said resolution's approval on first reading and that it be calendared for second and final reading later in today's session. So moved, Your Honor.
There is a motion. Any objections? Hearing none, motion is approved. Next item, Mr. Secretary.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. A resolution commending and congratulating Engineer Mika Angelica Estabilio Pascua for graduating magna cum laude in chemical engineering from the University of the Philippines, Los Baños, and for placing fourth in the May 2025 Chemical Engineers Computer-Based Licensure Examination, sponsored by Honorable Angelica L. Reyes, Chairperson, Committee on Awards, Citations, and Accreditations.
Let us hear from one of the sponsors.
Your Honor, I move for the said resolution's approval on first reading and that it be calendared for second and final reading later in today's session.
There is a motion. Any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Next item, Mr. Secretary.
Your Honor, for petitions, requests, and other communications, may I ask the assistance of the Secretary?
Mr. Secretary is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. A letter from Mr. Charles T. Lim, Board of Director, Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Southern Isabela Chapter, requesting the Honorable Body to appropriate funding for the continuity of road rehabilitation to the old logging roads created by the Liberty Logging Corporation from Barangay San Miguel in Etchague, Isabela to Barangay District 4, Jones, Isabela via Dicamay or connecting Barangay Dibulot in Dinapige, Isabela for the information and appropriate action of the Honorable Body.
May we hear from the Honorable Floor Leader.
Your Honor, the matter shall be referred to the Committee on Public Works and Highways for its appropriate action and recommendation.
Matter is referred to the Committee on Public Works and Highway. Next item, Mr. Secretary.
Yes, Mr. Chair. A letter from Mr. Charles T. Lim requesting and encouraging the Honorable Body to support the upgrading of the Kawayan Airport for the information and appropriate action of the Honorable Body.
May we hear from the Honorable Floor Leader.
Your Honor, the matter will be referred to the Committee on Transportation. For ex-
Matter is referred to the Committee on Transportation. Next item, Mr. Secretary.
A letter from Mr. Jeronimo P. Cabacan Jr., the Provincial Environment and Natural Resources Officer, Penro, transmitting here with the Executive Order Number 12, Series of 2025, entitled Reorganizing the Isabela Environment Protection Task Force to adopt adequate measures to safeguard, preserve, conserve, and develop the natural resources of the province of Isabela for the information of this august body.
Your Honor, the matter will be duly noted.
Matter duly noted. Next item, Mr. Secretary.
A letter from Engineer Corazon D. Toribio, DILG Provincial Director, furnishing this honorable body a copy of Memorandum Circular Number 2025-081 relative to the 9th Regional Officers Elections of the Provincial Board Members League of the Philippines, PBLMP, for the information of this honorable body.
Your Honor, the matter is duly noted.
Matter duly noted. Next item, Mr. Secretary.
We have received a copy of Memorandum Number 24, Series of 2025 from the Office of the Governor relative to the undersigned's travel to Hong Kong on August 21 to 24 and designating the Honorable Francis Faustino AD, the Vice Governor, as officer in charge in the Office of the Governor for the entire duration of his travel for the information of the honorable body.
Your Honor, the designation will be duly noted.
Matter duly noted. Next item, Mr. Floor Leader.
Your Honor, under unfinished business, considering that the proposed ordinance governing the handling, disposition, and utilization of the PAGCOR Trust Fund account remitted as financial assistance to the province of Isabela as host province and for other purposes, and the proposed ordinance regulating the sale, use, advertisement, promotion, packaging, distribution, and disposal of tobacco products in the province of Isabela have been properly calendared for second reading and are included in today's agenda. I move that pursuant to Section 48 of our internal rules of procedure, further deliberations, interpellations, and debate be dispensed with, being manifest that these proposed ordinances enjoy substantial consensus and further discussion is deemed unnecessary. Accordingly, I respectfully move for the approval of the aforementioned ordinances on second reading and that they be calendared for third and final reading later in today's session. So move, Your Honor.
There is motion on the floor. Any objections? There being none, the motion is hereby approved. The two ordinances are approved on second reading and are calendared for third and final reading later in today's session. Next item, Mr. Floor Leader.
Your Honor, for the proposed resolutions, namely, number 1, the proposed resolution upholding the validity of ordinance number 2025-007 of the municipality of Gamu, Isabela. Number 2, the proposed resolution upholding the validity of ordinance number 2024-912 of the municipality of San Mateo, Isabela. And lastly, the proposed resolution upholding the validity of ordinance number 2025-005 of the municipality of Alicia, Isabela. Considering that these three resolutions have been properly calendared for second reading and are included in today's agenda, I respectfully move that pursuant to Section 48 of our internal rules of procedures, further deliberations, interpellations, and debate be dispensed with, being manifest that these proposed resolutions enjoy substantial consensus and further discussion is deemed unnecessary. Accordingly, I respectfully move for the approval of the aforementioned resolutions on second reading and final reading. So move, Your Honor.
There is a motion to dispense with further deliberations, interpellations, and debate on the three proposed resolutions and to approve the same on second reading and final reading. Any objections? There being none, the motion is hereby approved. The three resolutions are hereby approved on second and final reading. Next item, Mr. Floor Leader.
Your Honor, for the business of the day, for the 7 resolutions that were approved on first reading and duly calendared for second and final reading earlier in this session, considering that no member raised any objection during the first reading, I respectfully move by omnibus motion to dispense with deliberations, interpellations, and debate on the said resolutions pursuant to Section 48 of our internal rules and procedures and to approve the same, such resolution on second and final reading. So move, Your Honor.
There is an omnibus motion to waive further deliberations and debate on the said resolutions and to approve such on second and final reading. Any objections? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved. The 7 resolutions are hereby adopted on second and final reading. Next item, Mr. Floor Leader.
Your Honor, for committee reports on reviewed measures, I respectfully move by omnibus motion for the approval of all committee reports on reviewed measures as listed in our agenda and for the same to be considered as official act of this body under plenary. So move.
There is an omnibus motion. Any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Next item, Mr. Floor Leader.
Your Honor, for committee reports on regular measures, we have none.
Next item, Mr. Floor Leader.
Your Honor, under the unassigned business, we also have none. For third reading, Your Honor, may I ask the assistance of the Secretary.
Mr. Secretary is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. An ordinance governing the handling, disposition, and utilization of the Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation Trust Fund account remitted as financial assistance to the province of Isabela as host province and for other purposes. Sponsored by Honorable Jose T. Panganiban Jr., Chairperson, Committee on Games and Amusements.
May we hear from the sponsor?
Your Honor, I move for the approval of this ordinance on third and final reading. So move, Your Honor.
There is a motion on the floor. Any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved. The ordinance is hereby approved on third and final reading. Next item, Mr. Secretary.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. An ordinance localizing the implementation of Republic Act Number 11900, Republic Act Number 10643, and Republic Act Number 9211, thereby imposing and institutionalizing regulations on the sale, use, advertisement, promotion, packaging, distribution, and disposal of tobacco products, vaporized nicotine and non-nicotine products, and novel tobacco products in the province of Isabela, sponsored by Honorable Emmanuel Joselito B. Agnes, the Chairperson, Committee on Health.
May we hear from the sponsor?
Thank you, Mr. Chair. May I again move for the approval of this ordinance for third and final reading.
There is a motion on the floor. Any objections? Hearing none, motion is approved. The ordinance is hereby approved in third and final reading. Next item, Mr. Floor Leader.
Mr. Chair, may I now inquire if any member wishes to avail of the privileged hour? For the record, Your Honor, no member conveyed such intention prior to this session.
Any members? If none, there being none, we shall now proceed to the next item, Honorable Floor Leader.
Announcements, Your Honor.
Are there any announcements? There being none, please proceed to the next item, Honorable Floor Leader.
Mr. Chair, there being no other business in the agenda, may we now proceed with the scheduled public consultation with our partners and stakeholders here in the municipality of Gamu, Isabela. As such, I move that we suspend the rules and declare a recess to allow the holding of the said public consultation.
There is a motion to suspend the rules and declare a recess for the conduct of the public consultation. Any objections? Hearing none, the motion is duly approved. The session is now in recess for the public consultation. So mga kalalawigan natin from the municipality of Gamu, baka may mga tanong kayo, inquiries, please. Inquiries, suggestions. The Honorable Vice Mayor Berkeley is recognized. Paki-check yung mic ni Honorable.
We scheduled 1 o'clock, Mr. Presiding Officer. Wala pa kasi yung mga ano natin.
Opo, for later naman po yun, yung committee hearing po natin regarding
Yes.
NFA. Ito naman po, kung ano na other matters, kung ano po, kung open forum to, kung ano yung ugnayan, kumbaga, kung ano yung gusto nyo itanong, isuggest, inquiries, etc. Open po ito para sa kahit saan.
Siguro ang matatanong ko ngayon, Honorable Vice Mayor, Vice Governor, siguro yung mga pangangailangan natin sa bayan ng Gamo, kulang pa kami. Ayun dito si Mayor.
Ayan, sakto.
Hi. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Yorme.
Dito po para sa bayan ng Gamu, of course, actually marami po kaming kulang. Number one na kulang po namin, yung public market, yung aming sanitary landfill. Pero itong sanitary landfill po, kaya namin gawa ng paraan. Yung public market po sana namin, Vice Gov, manghihingi po kami ng tulong. And of course, yung tulay po dito, yung tulay natin, yung sa Gamu Rojas Road, yung red na steel bridge, na discover po namin, luma na po yung tulay. And gusto rin po sana namin mag-request ng tulong para po sa construction po ng bagong tulay. Actually, boss, marami pa. Pero yung mga priority po, of course, yung terminal, public market. And dito po sa bayan ng Gamu, kulang po yung mga farm-to-market roads. Kaya ano po talaga, nag-ano kami ng mga pondo para po sa ating mga farmers, matulungan po sila sa pag-angkat po ng kanilang mga produkto. Especially sa western part po ng Gamu, malaki po yung lupa natin na tinatamnan doon. Marami po doong portion na hindi pa po sementado. So yung mga farmers po natin, nahihirapan silang mag-angkat ng mga ano po nila, palay and mais. Maraming salamat po, Vice Gov.
Nagbi-blink eh. Ayan eh. Regarding sa public market natin, meron na kayo master plan?
Meron na po kaming ginagawa ngayon. For everyone's information po, dito po sa bayan ng Gamu, boss, plano po namin ilabas itong munisipyo dito po sa Gamu Rojas Road. So currently, meron po kaming plano dito, kasama po yung mga parang blueprint po na gusto namin na paglalagyan itong mga public market. For the municipal hall, meron po kaming nahinging pondo or meron din kami mga plano in case hindi po dumating yung pondo para mailipat. But definitely, starting next year, makapag-move na po kami sa construction or at least posting po ng bagong munisipyo.
Okay, that's good
So
to hear.
kasama po, kasama na doon yung plano.
Magkatabi yung market at saka
Magkalapit po.
Magkalapit.
Doon
So
po
in
namin
one
plano.
location?
Yes.
Okay, so pero on the works pa lang po itong public market yun,
Yes,
sa
boss.
master planning.
Yes, Your
May I
Honor.
suggest lang din na with you, Mayor, and the team na pag-aralan lang natin not just the location. Okay, maganda pag sinabi parati sa may highway ilalagay.
Yeah.
Pero yung kumbaga yung foot traffic, etc.,
Yes,
papaano, yung setup, maganda we can get other siguro consultants or whatsoever. The recommendation lang naman.
Apo.
And then we can start from there para pagtulungan natin pagka nakuha mo na yung gawa mo na yung master plan mo, meron ka ng costing, yun naman ang importante, yung costing, yung gastos. At pag-usapan natin para papaabot namin sa ating minamahal na Governor Rodito Albano at sa ating mga kongresista nang sa ganun pagtulungan natin po ito.
Apo.
Okay.
Last pala po, baka pwede rin po kaming mag-request ng additional fund para po sa mga scholarship po para dito sa mga estudyante dito sa Gamu. Kasi marami rin po lumalapit, pero kami nahihirapan din po
Scholarship ng college?
kami. College po.
Ang requirement naman, basta marginalized sector
Na
na
ano?
anak, automatic sinasama. Pero,
Merong ano mga boss na parang hindi by definition or ano po, hindi sila qualified. Pero sila mismo nahihirapan din sila sa
pero
mga
bakit sila
finances.
hindi na-qualify, if I may ask?
Sa
Bakit sila hindi qualified?
hindi sila part ng marginalized ano po eh. Parang although yung iba po kasi parang sa Manila pero sinasabi nila to yung defray yung expenses nila para sa studies.
Oo, kasi parang ang pagkakaalam ko, if I'm not mistaken, but I will check
na ano po kasi parang hindi daw po sila nasasali. Ay, hindi po.
Sa pro po naman. Tsaka medicine po may. Oo. Kasi kahit pati postgraduate.
Ayun, yung med po tsaka yung
Okay.
sa law.
Sige. Sige, Mayor, can you send us yung mga yon para at least si Honorable Rambo Baysak, siya naman ang in charge. Papuntahin namin siya sa'yo para makipag-coordinate.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Maraming salamat.
Tapos, teka lang, Mayor, yung nabanggit nyo kanina yung sa tulay, gaano kahaba to?
Nasa 200. Eto parang yung tulay po dito. 400.
DP yan eh, no?
Apo.
Hindi yung, kasi meron yung sa DAR eh. Pwede mag-request eh. Hindi, DP. Oo, so siguro, Mayor, mag-request ka na sa DPWH.
Yes, ma'am.
O para, yun, again, mas
Ma-inspect
magandang
po.
meron tayong proper documents na pagbabasihan natin for funding.
Okay po.
Para mas makapag-lobby tayo ng mabilis. Okay, and then, yung public terminal na nabanggit nyo, ganun din, same,
Same ng
pag-aralan
public
din
market.
natin.
Yes,
Oo. And then yung FMR, siguro submit ka lang, wala na mawawala. Tapos, minsan, I will try to go to Senate one of these days. Pag baka bukas pumunta ako, pag maka-request ako, mag-alat din ako for you guys.
Maraming salamat
Okay,
po.
thank you,
Thank you.
Mayor. Meron pa po other inquiries? Baka may mga barangay officials na nandyan or other sectors, private sectors na may issues, concern? Oo. Love life? Mahirap yon. Wala na po? Sige na po, pagkakataon na po natin ito, maganda to para at least mapag-usapan po natin. Concerns, issues, irregularities, o whatsoever. Meron po ba? Please, Mayor. Opo.
Your Honor, parang nahiya silang magano, no?
Oo.
So, wala na rin naman na po kaming siguro po kung may maisip po kami in the future, ilapit po uli namin sa inyo. Pero kunin ko na rin po yung pagkakataon na invite po kayo sa aming fiesta. Lalo po, itong darating na August 22, yung Mutya ng Gamu, in-invite po namin kayong lahat. 7 p.m. po dito sa ating Astrodome. Friday, boss.
Barangay night mo kailan?
Barangay night. Ano na po wala nang yung pinalitan namin nung sa mga estudyante na sasayaw sila.
Parang youth.
Yes, 20 po. Dito rin. Wednesday, yes.
Oo. Okay, happy fiesta.
Maraming salamat po.
Sakto pala ang punta namin. Sige po, Doc. Okay na po? So, siguro excited ang lahat para mamaya doon sa committee hearing at doon nire-reserve lahat ng katanungan. Kaya, kaya wala nang itatanong ngayon para yung energy doon na dadalhin. So kami po ay taus-pusong nagpapasalamat po sa inyong lahat. At siguro, wag na natin pahabain pa. Kailangan nga natin mag-conserve ng energy para sa committee hearing mamaya dahil hanggang maghapon tayo. Majority Floor Leader is recognized.
Your Honor, with the conclusion of the public consultation, I now move that the session be resumed and the plenary rules be restored.
There is a motion to reconvene and for the restoration of the plenary rules. Any second? Any objections? Hearing none, the motion is duly approved. Session is resumed and plenary rules restored.
Your Honor, there being no other business in the agenda, I now move for the adjournment of today's session. So move.
There is a motion for adjournment. Is there any second? Are there any objections? Hearing none, the motion is having been duly seconded and there being no objection, the session is hereby adjourned. Thank you, thank you.